Meet Sarah. Sarah is a 22-year-old college student who is working part-time to support herself. She's always been interested in personal finance and knows that starting early is the key to financial success. Sarah creates a budget and identifies ways to save money. She starts by cutting back on unnecessary expenses and saves $50 per month. Sarah knows that simply saving money won't be enough to achieve her financial goals. She decides to start investing and does some research on different investment options. Sarah opens a low-cost investment account and starts investing $50 per month. At first, she's nervous about the risk involved in investing, but she's determined to stick with it. Over time, Sarah's investments start to grow. She's amazed at how quickly her money is compounding, and it inspires her to save even more. When Sarah graduates from college, she has a decent amount of savings and investments. She uses her savings to pay off her student loans and starts her career debt-free. Sarah continues to invest regularly and live below her means. By the time she reaches her mid-30s, her investments have grown significantly, and she's able to buy her first home. Sarah is proud of what she's accomplished so far. She knows that starting early and investing regularly was the key to her success. Remember, the earlier you start saving and investing, the better. Even if you can only contribute a small amount each month, the power of compounding means that your money will grow over time. Just like Sarah, you too can achieve your financial goals with patience, determination, and smart investing strategies.